snoring. Read with a fever.
He's snoring as he exhales.
Is that weird?
Yes.
Huh. I don't know. Wow, the date is actually still right on this thing.
Because it's... weird.
Oh, a sick little boy.